welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. Let's go for the question of the day. I guess it's a really nice one. So, do you like multifunctional products like lip and cheek stains? Actually, I usually do one product if it's for one thing for multiple things. Like, for example, I can use like lipstick, like the normal lipstick is a lipstick and cheek stain. I can use like some colors of matte eyeshadow, especially if it's kind of having this nude pink or pinky shades as a blush as well. I can use blushes as an eyeshadow as well. I can use bronzers or contours as like a transition color for the eyeshadows. So I always love to use one product if it's for one thing in a multiple things. This is one thing I feel, and from my perspective as playing with makeup or loving makeup, it's something that you have a bunch of colors and you enjoy doing whatever you want. It doesn't matter if you use a bronzer as a contour, if you use a contour as an eyeshadow. It doesn't matter if you use a highlight as a like a highlight eyeshadow. It doesn't matter what you use, just as it gives you the same thing that you want and will makes you look nice and beautiful, so why not? So it's something very amazing about makeup, that you can do whatever you want, as you're gonna come up with the result that you desire. So of course I love it. I love like having play with makeup. It's so amazing thing to do, and just I feel it's so therapeutic, especially when I'm in the downtimes. I love doing this, play with stuff and see how it's gonna work. So yeah, of course. So this is for this question. So let's go to the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.